better for you to trade off earlier rather than later, rather than go until you turn purple, go into just a mild shade of pink, and take a breath and go ahead from there. And but work it out so whoever's playing, not breathing in the same spot. Let's do it again in 116, shall we? 116 one more time. Can you warm it up? Is that the Brockport blue fleece? Do you feel that? Or is it a little burlappy? 116. 3. Instead of making an adjustment here, using this, making a slight one here. But if you're really overworking to play a tune, you will never do that. Okay? You've got to breathe, relax, play, and then make an adjustment rather than think about playing a tune and changing a whole bunch of things at once. It will never work. Can we go right up the down to 120, please? You got to hit it. 120, right on it? Let's just take a picture. 2, 3. 20. So while we make that crescendo into 138, then it's almost like that false crescendo. You're going to go up and you're going to come down immediately so that the melodic idea can come through. Let's go right at 132, please, with Casey's pickups. Once we got there, it was good. Turn to level chord definition. Dum, 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 and play those equal patterns. This is 132 with the 2 pickups. 1, 2, 38. 32, sorry. flat, F, and G. All right, now, those of us who start halfway through, so the phrase starts at 138, we have horn and clarinets. Very easy to cover that up, especially if we're not giving enough juice here, clarinets, so let that come up a little bit more. And horns with a grain of salt, right? Melody will come out a little bit more, where it's all about the clarinets. But trumpets, when you come through, then the color changes. We add the trumpet color in there, and it can come out a little bit more here, right? And remember now, you're those of you with the melody, ba da da dee da da dee da da. It lengthens each time we have that, and the rest of us have to be aware of that slight pull in that measure. Time just goes so quickly. Can we go right at 138, please? 138. If you have the melody, you're pushing everybody else to the background. Okay? Melody, or sorry, everybody 138. 2 and 3. If you had to lift it and drop it, right, would that be sort of an effort to make that happen? The second beat of that bar is the Washington monument going boom, in the press. Okay? Now what I got was the Lincoln Memorial. Now it's a grand thing, but it's a little smaller, yes?
No.
The Washington trip is taking place right now, so we can talk about these guys. We need more of this. Look. Okay? If we hear something else in that beat, fine. If we don't, even better. Can we do that? The crescendo was very nice, but we didn't pull off we didn't get paid enough. 2 before 146. 2 before 146. 2, 3. Singers, very nice job last night. Got all your goals. Thank you very much. Thanks.